welcome back to another episode of T.C.B. Garage, but we are not at T.C.B. Garage. We are at my buddy Larry's house in Roundtown. If anybody knows what Roundtown is, that is Circleville, Ohio, small town USA.
Pumpkin Town.
Pumpkin Town, as he says. There's Larry right there.
What's going on, guys?
He said, what's up going on, guys? And we are about to put a new exhaust system on his 2012 Silverado. He's got the 3-inch Flowmaster exhaust right there. It's a cat back design. Well, actually a muffler back design, because we're not touching the cat.
No.
Right, we're not touching any cats. So
we're just going duals all the way back.
Right, so it's going to be a cut off the muffler with a Flowmaster dual outlet muffler. We really can't see because for some reason now Flowmaster is wrapping shit in plastic wrap.
They like their mufflers. They put them in.
I guess they want it to be all nice and protected for you. Well, there we go, guys. Look at that. Goes in, the original pipe's gonna go in here, and then the 2 outlets are going to come out here, and then all that's going on the back of the muffler. 3-inch exhaust. Here's a little before. With, there it is, look at that. Look at that exhaust. You can't hear it though. So,
before anybody says anything, we're doing the quarter panels this summer. Already bought them. So that's the next thing.
Hold on, Larry's giving away upcoming videos that no one's supposed to know about. But anyways, so we're gonna get started on this, cutting it out, getting this on, and seeing what this muffler kit sounds like.
Yeah, shut it off before the exhaust gets much hotter.
Right. Larry's thinking of safety and carbon monoxide and shit. So, okay.
I'm taking it in my hand.
Right. All right.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Done.
Yeah. Awesome stuff.
You say you got WD-40?
Huh?
You got WD-40?
Where's it at?
Alright guys, so we can see our initial cut is made. So we're going to work back towards the tail end of the truck. We got a hanger right here. We got to get that off. But I think I'm going to go ahead and cut the muffler again just to get her out of there. So we're going to make another little cut right here before the hanger so we can drop the muffler. That way we're not fighting the muffler as we're trying to get it out of that rubber bushing there, or hanger bushing thing. Alright guys, so we got our muffler out. It's sitting right over there on the floor of the garage. We got our tailpipe, we're working on that. We're going to cut these hangers. But of course, you know, being the way things are, our cool little Flowmaster kit did not come with everything we need. So this is going to be quite the interesting install. But everything's coming out nice and smooth. I'm going to pop this out right here. And yeah, continue getting this old exhaust off. Yeah. Okay. Let me cut Larry's spare tire here. Cut off the spare tire. Alright guys, so we are done with the exhaust.
Bullshit!
Like I say, man, it sounds pretty sweet. Just kidding. But we do got the exhaust out. There's our tailpipe, there's our muffler. Alright, we're gonna sit you guys behind the truck. We're gonna give it a quick little rev, man. Listen to this, listen to it with no muffler. I think it sounds sweet this way. I think we're just gonna put a tailpipe on the pipe and leave it the way it is. Oh yeah, that's right. All right, so I'm gonna talk Larry into getting his money back for this $300 exhaust he bought, because I think that sounds pretty sweet. So, what do you say, Larry? We're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it like this.
That's a no for me.
Video's done. All right, so we're gonna get to working on this. We did come. There is one hiccup with the kit. For whatever reason, usually these kits will come with a clamp-on hanger that mimics the old hangers, so you can reuse the boots. But this one came with these hangers. So yeah, we're gonna have to figure out some way to bolt these probably to the frame. But typically what they're going to do is they're going to attach to the pipe like this. Clamp goes around that little notch right there. It holds everything in. But yeah, we're going to find out some attachment points. So, all right. Larry's exhaust just got a tad bit more interesting. All right. All right, we got Larry on the truck doing mock-up. Spock up. And I think
That is the C pipe in there.
that's the C pipe right there.
That right there.
The one I got is the continuance of C.
Okay.
So this,
I just want to make sure what in when it went.
so I think the part you're holding is gonna go into the muffler.
Well,
into the pipe coming out of the muffler right there by your rear end. Let me scooch my ass underneath here. Oh,
that's what I'm trying to figure out how it
how it positions. So it might go through all this.
Yeah.
Maybe it'd be better if I send it this way. Makes sense.
Yeah, you almost had it in there. We're just gonna.
I know we got a lot of brake lines and crap though. I don't want it
Yeah, it said make sure you make
in the way, so
clear all brake
maybe
lines
it doesn't buff them. Watch your head!
that was my cheek, and not the one with all the pattern on it.
You can't scoot it forward any?
No.
Like the muffler?
No.
It seems like if it goes forward a tad bit, it'd go in there. So I can see it's gonna curve like this, and then something should have a sharp, like 45 or 90 on it, and it'll get you out by a tailpipe.
On that. Come on, baby, sliding.
Hold on, let me set this camera down. All right, we're back. All right, so a little update real quick. We got one side on. Huh, Larry?
We're working on it.
Yeah, we're working. I'm all dirty and nasty.
I'm dirty too.
There's dirty too. But we had a hell of a fight just to get the one side on. Oh. But we had to do some adapters on the pipe coming in from the engine. Double clamped it. I don't know if we can see that. Got double clamps right there. But everything's going really good back. Nothing's hitting, but we still got to run the passenger side. That's proven to be a little bit of a pain in the arse. So we're gonna hurry up, try to bolt that one on, do that one on camera. What the hell? All right, so that's gonna go there, to there. All right. I think we're going the right way, don't we?
Yeah, looks like.
Yep. All right. Yeah, see if we can get one of them straps to pull down somewhere right here. It'd be very good. It'd be very good. Yeah. You slide your ratchet, or you slide your clamp up a little bit, bro.
Why?
Just clamp like a ½ inch away from the edge.
Too far away?
Yeah. That's how you get most flex in the pipe.
Most.
It's more bendable on the very end, going up very and big. You got it? Should be. Whew. Whew, doggy. Alright, we should just need a bolt right here to connect this hanger. All I have to do is loop it up over your existing hanger. Then bend it around it. That's my aha moment. Alright guys, so we got the exhaust on finally. It's a pain in the arse. We got Larry in his truck. We got the truck on the ground. He's about to start her up. We do not have the exhaust tips on because they're going to have to be welded. So he's going to bring that over to the house so we can get the welder on it. Because you see we got the one tip sticking out a little too far. That's going to have to get cut down. And then of course the other tip is way up underneath the bumper there. But Larry's going to start her up. Oh, listen to that. Sounds pretty good. Alright, look at that mess. There's an exhaust pipe there. Tools and stuff, cardboard we's laying on. And the old muffler. Alright. So we're going to get the truck over to my house tomorrow, weld the tips on, and end this video. So, alright. You happy, Larry?
Oh, I'm extremely happy.
He said, woohoo!
Woo! I'll be even happier when I get tips on there. So
Yeah, he wants some tips on. Some tips on there. So, all right, everybody. So we are back at the garages the next day, and we're doing the final part of getting Larry's exhaust done.
And we're back at T.C.B. Garage.
Yeah, we're
no
back.
longer on location.
We're back outside T.C.B. Garage, no longer on location. Larry's very happy with his exhaust. He says it sounds awesome. We're going to take a little test drive after we're done welding on the tips. But we got to make a cut here, push this back, and then he doesn't like how this pipe is showing. So we're going to make another cut so we don't see that pipe, because Larry's being a picky guy.
Yeah.
But we got the welder up, Sawzall helmet, so we're going to get started. Pretty. Why he's texting on his phone?
It's pretty badass.
No, ain't what you said though.
Pretty snazzy.
Snazzy. Yes, guys, the Flowmaster exhaust system looks snazzy. I haven't heard that one in a while. Old man. All right.
Older than me.
All right, so we're gonna get all this stuff cleaned up. We're gonna get in the truck. We're gonna take a ride down the road, see what she sounds like, and wrap this video up. All right, so we're gonna take a little ride.
Seatbelt on there, I'll beep like.
We'll see how it sounds. Larry's telling me to put my seatbelt on for safety because with his new exhaust, he says he's been driving a little crazy.
No, because it'll beep like crazy and it drives me nuts.
All right, so hopefully we can get a little sound on it. He's gonna hit the gas probably hard, pulling out my driveway just to irritate my neighbors.
No.
Listen to that, man. This thing's come alive now. It sounds like a real truck.
Yeah, finally.
So to sum up the video, Flowmaster 3-inch exhaust, new muffler back,
Super 44 Flowmaster.
Super 44 Flowmaster installation. let's give it a grade.
Well,
What would you say, Larry?
Well, that's the brand of the muffler, so that's what I was saying.
Well,
but A plus.
A plus?
No, I guess give it an A because we had to mess with the pipes a little bit to make it fit just right.
All right, Larry's more generous. It's a pain in the ass installation.
And the hangers suck.
Cut the muffler in the correct spot. I learned from experience. And the hangers are a pain in the ass.
They're cheap AutoZone crap.
Right, and they are bolted in. They will not tell you that in the description. They are bolted in. They're not going to use your old hanger spots. But other than that, quality-wise, sound-wise, I would say they sound pretty good. The quality is good. Everything's labeled. Passenger, driver's side, A, B, C. It's a no-brainer. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Next video coming out is going to be the continuation on the Corvette 383 stroker motor install. So, all right, guys, see you in the next one.